get a job.
This is what I do professionally. Dude, don't have anything, man. It's like So what is this?
What are you doing, man?
Don't film me, sir.
Get away from me, Ruben. Fuck up.
Are you police officers?
Nah, get away from me. Back up. Get away. Get away from me. I'm more working. Get out of here.
You're not a police officer.
Get the fuck away from me.
Alright.
The fuck, we're working. Get out of here.
It's a
Get the fuck
felony to
alone.
kill people against their,
The fuck away from me.
request in Massachusetts. Go away.
Which law is that?
Which law is that?
Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Why
See,
is
if I
that
beat your
law?
ass, this dude's gonna save you, the one you're fucking with.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's called illegal
Like
wiretapping.
that thing. It's not about that. It's not about all that stuff, man.
If I beat your ass for filming, you're gonna call these guys to help you who you're fucking with.
And well, there could be other, things. It's not just this today. If that was the world, not the way the world
Go do
was,
something with yourself.
like there would be other variables, that would come into play,